a lot of people, they're fasting, and a lot of people, if you ask them, what is the definition of fasting? They tell you, fasting is when you don't eat and you don't drink from sunup until sundown. And this is the childhood definition, but people still use it. Fasting is when you don't eat and don't drink from sunup to sundown. You know, fasting, and the word sawm, it means to abstain. So it's not just abstaining from food and drink, but it's abstaining from everything else that's bad. From lying, you know, from cheating, from using profanity, from anything else that is bad. Not just eating and drinking. Unfortunately, people now, they focus on what goes into their mouth, and nobody cares what comes out of their mouth. You'll find someone who's so adamant to not get a drop of water in his mouth. They make wudu, and they spit 100 times after wudu to make sure that not the slightest amount of wetness goes into their throat. But then they don't care what comes out of their mouth. And so you find them during the day in Ramadan, and they are backbiting, they're spreading rumors, they're lying, they're using bad words, they're cursing, but yet at the same time they exaggerate about other things that are permissible. Don't take a shower in Ramadan, because you know the cold water will hit your ears. Who drinks from his ears? They tell you don't even smell good food, don't use cologne. All these things are not even required in their religion. But their main concern is nothing goes in, and yet they don't care about what comes out. So one of the things about acts of worship is that they're to impact the way you behave. And so fasting is supposed to impact your manners and your behavior and the language that you use, and make you more truthful and not lie and so on and so forth. So it's not just about what goes in, but more importantly, it's about what comes out.